All right, does anybody have any idea what this is? Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this really cool luggage cart. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So currently we are on a trip and we've actually used this thing a couple of times already. It's been very helpful. We're at an expo. We've been taking things in and out of a haul. Check this out. So Greg's backpack is usually pretty heavy, doesn't have wheels on it. It fits right on this cart. It's got big wheels in the back and then like kind of the wheels in the front, or what are they called? Caster wheels. Strap that down right on there. It moves so well. You can adjust the height of the handle. That's as high as it goes, where Greg's got it right there. That's as high as it goes.
About right.
Yeah, it's about right, yeah. Easily to drag anything in wherever you need to. We did have some heavy tables that were like 50 pounds that we actually put on here, and it was nice because they came up to here, strapped them right on, and it worked out great. So we definitely wanted to give you guys a quick little rundown of this cart. It moves pretty good. The wheels work pretty good, and it's gonna hold. Hi, you wanna put a dog on it? It's gonna hold quite a bit. You could stack quite a bit of stuff on there and wrap that cord around. You stack some boxes on there and then off you go. That's pretty cool. So yeah, that's our quick little rundown of this luggage cart. I guess we should show them how it folds up back the way it goes.
Quickly.
Yeah. So when you're done and you got your stuff where it needs to be, you take it off of there. You have Kira help you out. Yeah, so that look at how little this thing folds down. Folds right down, and then the straps wrap right around it. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Easy to store, easy to take with you. I think that's the best part. We threw it in our trailer because this thing is so tiny, it takes up almost no space.
Light.
Very light, very durable too, though. We definitely recommend this luggage cart.